Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers and trade. So talking about the benchmark indices, both the Nifty and the Sensex are off the record highs. So they're trading in the green yet, but not at the day's high as of now. So when you look at it, Nifty is trading around the 16,000, about the 16,550 levels, and the Sensex 2 is trading around the 55,600 levels as well. So both trading in the green, up 0.2% in trade. Talking about the broader markets, on the other hand, they are underperforming the benchmark indices as of now this afternoon. Nifty mid-cap and small-cap both trading in the red, down almost 0.3% trade in trade is Nifty mid-cap, as small-cap is down almost 1% in trade as well. So pressure building in the broader markets, while the Nifty and the Sensex seem to be trading in the green. Now, individual stock movers in trade, let's look at the stocks that are buzzing this afternoon. We have Banco Products, which is up as much as 10% in trade today, as the company reported a strong set of numbers in Q1. The profits have more than doubled for the quarter on a year-on-year basis, and revenues also have jumped by 81%. Moving on, Apollo Hospitals also in focus on the back of its earnings. It's jumped as much as 6% in trade, 5 to 6% in trade, after a robust set of numbers was reported by the company. The company swinged into a profit this time versus a loss last year, as well as the revenues of the company have also jumped by 73%. We have Tata Steel also, which is in focus today. When you look at it overall, the antique broking firm has maintained a buy stance in the company with a target price of 1,732 rupees per share. They raised their target price, a considerable raise, from 1,385 to 1,732. So surely a sharp increase after the Q1 FY22 numbers came in from the company, and was the company saw an EBITDA which was at a record level and above estimates as well. So the broking firm has also maintained a buy stance and raised their target price. Moving on, we do have EClock also, which is hit the upper circuit today. It's up 5% after following a solid set of numbers reported by the company, where the Q1 profits have jumped by 77% on a year-on-year basis. Revenues also surged by 44.5%. And other than that, the company's board has also approved a buyback of 303 crore rupees planned, so which is at a maximum price of 3,200 rupees per share. So that is also what is keeping the stock a buzz today. Now, among the top losers, we have Vodafone Idea, which is slid as much as 4% after its results, and surely the losses of the company have also widened on a year-on-year basis as well, and that's what is also building the pressure on the stock price as well. Overall, the Q1 numbers. SpiceJet 2 is fallen 4% after the losses widened for the company in Q1, and which was hurt by the fuel cost as well as the forex losses as well. But the companies also said that they are going to be hiving off their logistics business, that Spice Express. So surely let's keep an eye on that hive off. But today, on the back of its earnings, it's down 4% in trade. IOL Chemicals has dropped 6% after a lower quarterly profit was reported by the company, and the company's profits have dropped by 47% on a year-on-year basis. GIC also in focus. It's declined as much as 2 to 3% in trade after a weak set of numbers was reported by the company. So most of the stocks have seen a movement coming on the back of their earnings, but let's see how they end in trade this afternoon.